Have you ever wondered what secrets lie beneath the deep blue sea? From mysterious creatures to underwater mountains taller than Everest, the ocean has some of the most incredible wonders of Earth. Stay with us till the end as we explore the most incredible ocean facts that will blow your mind. This is Rich Thought Present. Let's dive in. This is Rich Thought Present. Let's dive in. The ocean covers over 70% of Earth's surface. But here's the wild part. We have explored less than 5% of it. More humans have been to the moon than the deepest part of the oceans. The Mariana Trench, the deepest known point, goes nearly 11,000 meters deep. That's deeper than Mountain Everest is tall. Think shark or scary. Wait till you meet vampire squid glows in the dark. Giant isopods, the massive underwater bug. The angelfish uses a glowing layer to catch a prey in a darkness. The ocean is the world's largest living museum of 10 life forms. The ocean has its own weather systems. There are underwater rivers and waterfalls like the Denmark State Contact, dropping deeper than 3,500 meters. The Gulf Streams move warm water across mountains and it controls global climate. The ocean is Earth's climate machine. The ocean is a time capsule. Thousands of the swiftwackers lie beneath the waves from the Titanic to the Piraeus treasure ships. Entire cities like Dwarka and the Hercules and the Spugmorget and imagine ancient civilizations hidden underwater. The ocean gives us life, but it is in danger. Over 8 billion tons of plastic enter the sea every year. The Great Pacific Garbage, the patch is 3 times the size of France. If we don't act, we could lose the ocean's balance forever. Octopus have 3 hearts. Whales can breathe over and over. Glowing beaches and the bioluminescence and the plankton. Male seahorse give birth. Oceans give us over 50% of our oxygen. Amazing, right? The ocean is full of mysteries, power and beauty. So next time you look at the sea remember you are looking at the most powerful force on earth. Like, share and subscribe to Rich Thought Present for more mind-blowing facts every week. Stay curious.